In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Media Encoder using the Creative Cloud desktop app. Adobe Media Encoder is a powerful tool that is essential for media management and encoding in video production workflows. Whether you're preparing files for broadcast or uploading your latest video to the web, Media Encoder makes the process smooth and efficient. First, you'll want to open the Creative Cloud desktop application. This is your central hub for accessing the suite of Adobe products and managing your subscriptions. If you've already installed it, you can simply find it in your list of applications and double-click to open. If you haven't yet installed it, you can easily download it from Adobe's official website. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as the Creative Cloud app requires online access to manage your Adobe software suite effectively. Once you've opened the Creative Cloud app, you'll see a list of available applications. These are the Adobe tools that you can access with your subscription or purchase. To find Adobe Media Encoder, you can either scroll through the list or, for quicker access, use the search bar located at the top right corner of the window. Simply type Media Encoder into the search field and allow the application to locate it for you. This feature is particularly handy if you have multiple Adobe apps visible in your account. Once you've located Media Encoder, you'll see an Install button next to it. If, for some reason, this option doesn't appear and it shows Download instead, don't worry. This just means that Media Encoder has not been installed on your machine before. Go ahead and click on either Install or Download, depending on what you see. This step will initiate the download and installation process, triggering your computer to begin fetching and preparing all necessary files to run Media Encoder. Now, it's time to be a bit patient. The download and installation might take some time, and how long this takes can vary. It largely depends on your internet speed and the specifications of your computer system. While waiting, try to ensure that your internet connection remains stable throughout the process to avoid any interruptions. After the installation completes, Media Encoder will be all set and ready for use. To find it, close the Creative Cloud desktop app and check your Applications folder or the Start menu if you're on Windows. And there you have it. That's how you install Adobe Media Encoder using the Creative Cloud app. You can now start seamlessly encoding your media projects like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to check out our other tutorials for more